Here at Luxottica RXO, you're dealing with all kinds of shapes of prescription lenses. How we handle them should all be the same. The lenses may appear different depending on the process, and you will learn more techniques as you go through your individual training. Here are the basic guidelines when handling lenses at Luxottica. Always use the approved PPE or personal protective equipment. Luxottica requires gloves to be worn when handling lenses. We offer glove liners and finger cots as well. Refer to your process work instruction for the required PPE in your area. There are a variety of liquids that are used on lenses, such as alcohol, DI water, and cleaning solution. Refer to your work instructions for these approved solutions and how to properly use them. We should only be using the solutions that are approved. Refer to your supervisor for additional information such as the Material Safety Data Sheets, or MSDS sheets. In some positions, we mark the lenses with a special marker. If you are trained in one of these positions, verify that you are only using the approved marker. First things first, know how to position your tray. This is called proper tray orientation. The surface ticket should be away from you. This will help to ensure that the right lens is on your right side and that the left lens is on your left side. Mixing up the lenses can cause the wrong prescription to be generated in the lens, or we cut the lens to the opposite eye shape, causing us to throw away the lenses and start the process all over again. When handling lenses, always handle by the edges. The surface of the lens are susceptible to scratches, so we want to take special care of our customers' lenses throughout the process. Some prescriptions create a sharp edge, so always handle with caution and protective equipment is always available to you. The transportation tray serves multiple purposes. Depending on what stage the lenses are in depends on where and how the lenses are placed in the tray. Semi-finished lenses that have not gone through surface blocking yet, or even finished lenses going down our express line, are placed in the tray concave side down on the nests. Once the semi-finished lenses are blocked, they will be placed concave side up with the surface block sitting in the nest. The lenses will be generated, and in some of our labs the lenses go through conventional fining and polishing. The same lens handling technique still applies. The surface deblocking process will detach the alloy and block from the nicely polished lens. The tape is carefully removed and the lens is more vulnerable to scratches than ever. Take special care when performing this process and placing them back in the tray. The lenses will then go to the wash-up and tray change process. Using extreme care and still handling by the edges, the lenses are rinsed, cleaned, and placed in a clean tray. The hard coating process has several instances in which we are making contact with the lens. Alcohol-saturated wipes are used to thoroughly clean the lens. Then alcohol is used for a good rinse, all before placing the lens into the coating machines. Once the lenses have received their backside coat, if additional cleaning is necessary, dampen the approved wipe with water and gently clean the lens. Never touch a lens with a dry wipe. The lenses will continue to make its way down the production line. If the lenses need to be handled, handle with care and grab them by the edges. After edging, the lenses need to be deblocked. Foam can be used to keep the lenses from sliding, or set in the nest, or use lens cups. Never overlap lenses. Refer to your local work instruction for preservation expectations. Depending on the customer's order, the lenses can go to multiple stations at this point. If lenses require more processing, such as mounting or anti-reflective coating, also known as AR, lenses are still required to be handled by the edges. Swarf is material strands that are left on the edge of the lens during the edging process. These strands will need to be removed. Swarf sticks are provided to clean swarf off the lenses. Let's talk about cleaning. Only certain positions in manufacturing are allowed to clean lenses. We only want cleaning to take place at critical positions to eliminate unnecessary handling and scratches. If you are training in a position that requires cleaning, here are a few simple guidelines. Using a wet or moistened approved towel, wipe both sides of the lens simultaneously with gentle pressure. Rotate the lens through the wet part of the towel and move to a different part of the towel for the final wipe. Use one towel per lens and discard after use. Avoid setting towels that you are going to use on any surface as it can pick up particles, dust, and shavings that can scratch the lens. Grab a towel from its box and keep away from debris. For cleaning a small spot, use a moistened towel and clean only that spot. Avoid cleaning the entire lens. A critical piece of our process is our cosmetic inspection. We want to send our customers the best quality lenses, free of defects or anything that will impair their vision. If you are trained at a position that requires cosmetic inspection, a certain technique is used, but notice how we still hold the lenses by the edge. We take pride in knowing that we help millions of people see their world more clearly. We take part in the overall customer experience when they pick up their new pair of eyewear. We have a responsibility to ensure our customers love their glasses and expect premium quality from Luxottica every time.